Hello friends, I am Professor Shashikala Zadav. A very warm welcome to our channel English Guru. My dear student, in last video we have discussed about the poem Father Returning Home written by Dilip Chitre. We have discussed about the explanation of the poem. In this video we are going to discuss about poetic appreciation of the poem Father Returning Home written by Indian bilingual poet Dilip Chitre. Let's begin. Student, you have 4 marks for poetic appreciation of the poem in your coming board exam. You will be asked activities like, with the help of the following points, write a poetic appreciation of the poem Father Returning Home. You will be given points like about the poem, poet and the title, theme, poetic style, the language, poetic devices used in the poem, special features, message, values, morals in the poem, your opinion about the poem. Student, you have to write poetic appreciation with the help of given these points. Let's see poetic appreciation of the poem Father Returning Home. Let's start. About the poem, poet and the title. Student, the poem Father Returning Home is a remarkable work written by bilingual Indian poet Dilip Chitre. It is biographical sketch of poet's father Purushottam Chitre. It is taken from Traveling in a Cage by Dilip Chitre. The title The Father Returning Home is very appropriate and suitable to the theme. It belongs to the central character of the poem. The poem deals with the daily monotonous routine of the father and his loneliness. म्हणजेच विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, द फादर रिटर्निंग होम हे जे काही कवितेचं शीर्षक आहे, ती कवितेची थीम एकाकीपणा, एकटेपणा किंवा मोनोटोनस रूटीन आहे डेली, रटाळ जीवन आहे रोजचं, ही जी कवितेची थीम आहे, ही कवितेची थीम कवितेच्या शीर्षकाच्या माध्यमातून आपल्यापर्यंत पोहोचते किंवा टायटल आहे तो ही थीम एक्सप्रेस करतो. आणि ही कविता दिलीप चित्रे यांचं आहे, ट्रॅव्हलिंग इन अ केज ह्या कविता संग्रहातून घेतलेली आहे. थीम. The poem Father Returning Home has autobiographical significance. Student, it has gone beyond it. It is now an account of any old man who does the hard work for his family but leads a monotonous life. The children refuse to share their joy and sorrow with the hardworking father. This painful loneliness is a symbol of man's isolation from the materialistic man-made world. Alienation or estrangement, isolation, dissolution of the self in the man-made world, old age in modern society, the generation gap, the future of the individual in modern society, city are the major themes of the poem. म्हणजेच एकटेपणा, एकाकीपणाचं जीवन आणि स्वतःला या सर्वांपासून दूर नेणं किंवा जनरेशन गॅप आहे, 2 पिढ्यांमधला अंतर आहे, विचारांमधला फरक आहे किंवा आधुनिक शहरामध्ये, आधुनिक जगामध्ये एका वयोवृद्ध व्यक्तीचं अस्तित्व काय आहे, या कवितेच्या थीम आहेत किंवा मध्यवर्ती कल्पना आहे असं आपल्याला म्हणता येईल. Poetic style. The poetic style of the poem is simple, indicative. Some of the daily life images are used metaphorically in the poem. The poem is written in dramatic monologue. The tone of the poem is dull, gloomy and monotonous. The poem consists of 2 stanzas. It is made of 12 lines each. It is written in free verse with no rhythm, no rhyming scheme. It is written in first narration. The language, poetic devices used in the poem. The language used in the poem is very simple and easy to understand but full of symbolic. म्हणजे कवितेची जी भाषा आहे ती साधी आहे, सोपी आहे, परंतु पूर्णपणे सिम्बॉलिक आहे. म्हणजे तिथं लिटररी मीनिंग वेगळं आहे आणि सिम्बॉलिक मीनिंग वेगळं आहे. कॉनोटिव्ह अँड डिनोटिव्ह मिनिंगचा वापर केलेला आहे. द यूज ऑफ प्रेझेंट पार्टिसिपल इज रिमार्केबल. एक्झाम्पल स्टँडिंग, अनसिंग, गेटिंग, इटिंग एटसेट्रा. The use of words creates real picture of situation. There is use of enjambment. It means the use of continuation of a sentence without punctuation marks. The poet has used various figure of speech like alliteration, simile, transfer, epithet, onomatopoeia to create poetic effect. म्हणजे वेगवेगळ्या फिगर ऑफ स्पीचचा कवीने पोएटिक इफेक्ट देण्यासाठी वापर केलेला आहे. स्पेशल फीचर्स. द पोएट यूज व्हेरियस विविड इमेजरी टू डिस्क्राइब द पेन्स अँड मिजरी ऑफ द ओल्ड. इट ऑल्सो डिस्क्राइब द थीम ऑफ द पोएम. म्हणजे कवितेमध्ये कवीने इमॅजरीचा वापर केलेला आहे, प्रतीकांचा वापर केलेला आहे आणि त्याच्यातनं वास्तव जीवन आहे, रिअल लाईफ आहे, ते वाचकांच्या नजरेसमोर उभा करण्याचा कवीने प्रयत्न केलेला आहे. मॅसेज, व्हॅल्यूज, मॉरल इन द पोएम. द मॅसेज ऑफ द पोएम इज दॅट ऑफ द सेक्युलरिझम ऑफ मॅन फ्रॉम द मॉडर्न वर्ल्ड इन टुडेज फास्ट पेस अँड humdrum life. The only solace that man can find in his dream of the past and future. The poem speaks about generation gap in modern age, disrespect towards elderly. We should appreciate hard work of elderly people. The poem also communicates the apathy of the society towards the old who cope with estrangement in metropolis cities. Your opinion about the poem. The poem presents a real picture of modern society. The poem speaks about generation gap. Student, we should respect our people. They are torchbearer for us. They are map for us to show the right path in life. They are map because student, they have lots of experience in their life. Their experience will be definitely helpful to our life. So we should take care of them. We should share our feelings like sorrow, joy, jokes with them. We should converse with them. This is my opinion. Student, your opinion may be differ from mine. So you can add your opinion about the poem. Thank you for watching our video. Friends, don't forget to subscribe our channel to get more notification about our upcoming video. Student, in next video part 3, we will discuss about the figure of speech and brainstorming activities of the poem Father Returning Home. Thank you. Thanks again.